Did you hear the story of how Faith took an African ancestry DNA test and found out that she was Igbo Nigerian? She now knew where she was from, so it awakened this curiosity and longing deep down inside her to learn more about her people. She looked online everywhere for more ways to connect to the continent. A part of her that was missing was now found. She found Chukwu Nonso captures on social media, and then DM'd him for an Igbo Nigerian named gift. She told him about the things she wanted to manifest into her life and about the connection to her family's deeper ancestral identity that she yearned for. She didn't hear back from him for months. Even after checking back in to remind him, she figured he forgot or her messages had gotten lost in his inbox, so she gave up hope. But then one day, she got a notification on her phone. She was so glad she hit the bell to get a notification for when his new videos drop.
He gave her the perfect Igbo name, Ogochukwu, meaning God's favor. She was so excited. She now felt more connected to the continent.